Okay, we got this Fishman large tire changer here. It has manual crank here to, there's a tire right here, it's breaking the bead. You break the bead on this side, and you can crank that out like that, you know, and it goes back in. It's a little hydraulic, manual pump hydraulic cylinder here. Same thing going on over here. You got a tire here and it's breaking the bead against the rim with that. And you got this, these things down here. Wheel the tire on here. And it spins around on that. And this thing here clamps the tire in the center there. This can go on the other way here to go overlap that other one here. Overlaps. And that, why don't I do this quick here. This comes off right here. Just pull this right out. You can put this on the tire like this. Swing the tire, stick the tire right in here, and it clamps it from either side. And the air thing pulls this side in and locks it in on the tire. You have a thing here that runs up and down. So you'd wheel a tire in here. You get this thing here at the right height, and stick the tire on this thing, you know, and it wheels right around on these things here. And it's got this drive motor here that drives the tire around. So you can also use this thing to push the tire bead back on the tire too. It. It's a 110 volt plug in the wall thing here. Power cord right here. Regular 110 volt plug in. So you can use it in your home garage if you really wanted to. It's all functioning. Seems to work all right. You need air pressure to operate the center plunger thing here. It's operated by air, not hydraulic.